In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Lovable app inside Claude AI with MCP integration. To get started, head over to Lovable and sign in to your account. Before Claude can use your app, the app needs to be fully built, tested, and publicly published. This is an important requirement because a Lovable app has to be public before it can expose its own MCP server through agent integrations. So if your app is still in progress, take a moment to make sure everything is working the way you expect before you publish it. Once your app is live, open the Publish project and go to the Agent Integration section. From there, enable the feature. When you turn this on, Lovable will analyze your app and automatically generate MCP tools based on the functionality you've already built. This saves time and gives Claude a structured way to interact with your app. After that, review the generated MCP tools carefully. This part matters because these tools define what an AI assistant can actually access and do. Go through each one, remove anything you don't want exposed, and confirm that the descriptions, permissions, and authentication settings all look correct. Lovable gives you control here, so it's a good idea to double check everything before moving forward. Next, get your app's MCP endpoint or connection details. Lovable provides this after agent integrations has been enabled. This endpoint is what allows MCP-compatible assistants like Claude to discover and use your app's tools. So keep it ready for the next part of the setup. Now switch over to Claude. Open Settings, then go to Connectors. Choose the option to add a custom connector, or the equivalent option if the interface is slightly different. Enter your Lovable app's MCP server details, then save the connector. At this point, Claude is being configured to communicate directly with your app through MCP. You may then be prompted to authenticate with OAuth. When that happens, sign in to your Lovable account, grant the requested permissions, and wait for Claude to finish completing the connection. OAuth helps securely authorize access, especially for protected tools, so this step ensures the connection is both functional and secure. Once everything is connected, you can start using your Lovable app directly inside Claude. You can ask Claude to perform tasks that your app supports, such as searching records, creating support tickets, generating reports, submitting forms, or retrieving analytics. Claude will automatically choose the appropriate MCP tool based on your request, which makes the experience feel seamless and natural. That's the full setup process. Once connected, Claude becomes a much more powerful assistant because it can interact directly with the workflows and tools you've already built.